Hello and welcome to another APro tutorial. In this video I'll be explaining how to change your password for your current DVR. This is important because if you leave it as the default password, it is possible for someone else to log into your system with the default login details. So let's get into the video. Here is the default home screen for a 4-channel DVR. Drag your cursor to the bottom and the toolbar will appear. Click the menu icon in the bottom left of your screen and then click Setup. Here, unlock your DVR with the default password, all consecutive numbers from 1 to 8. Then go to Multi-User under System. Here is the list of users registered on the DVR. The default is 1 admin and 6 users. Click the edit icon under User Edit to change the settings of the user. Here you can change the name and password options. Type in your new password, then type it in again underneath to confirm it. There is also a pattern password feature. Just draw a memorable pattern twice and it can be used to unlock your DVR in the future. Once you're happy, click Save. Then type in the original password to authorize the change.